Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to animate opacity in your videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So to get started, you can see I have two clips on my timeline right here, and I've got one clip above the other. So knowing how to animate opacity is a really neat trick because it can save you some time instead of having to mess around with transitions that affect opacity, and you can also much granularly control the level and the look that you want to achieve. So to get started, I'm just going to select this clip right here, the one on top. And then in the inspector, you're going to want to scroll down a bit and take a look at the composite property. So underneath composite, you're going to see an option here called opacity. Just click on this diamond to start a keyframe, or sorry, to add a keyframe and start animating. And then let's move it all the way to 0. So I'm going to fast forward a bit. And let's say this is the spot I wanted to be in view. I'm going to click on it again and change the opacity to 100. I'm going to do the same thing for the end here and just create another one. And then at the end, a 0. So now if we watch through it, as you can see, the opacity changes very, very smoothly. So again, this is useful. This might be preferable to adding transitions, especially if you're working with a lot of layers and need that extra granularity and control. You can also adjust the keyframes here in the keyframe panel. So just make sure that it's set to show curves by clicking on this button here at the top left, and then making sure that the curve for opacity is enabled. So I'm just going to turn these other ones off, and by selecting all of them, right clicking, and then selecting ease in and out, we can also smoothen the curve out very, very nicely. So add, I'm just going to shift these handlebars along a bit just to make the curve a little more noticeable, just like so. So what this does is it changes the speed at which the opacity is shifted. So if we take a look at what it looks like now, it's a much finer transition. So it starts out really fast and then slows down at the end. That's what this sort of curve means. You can also add more keyframes very quickly by clicking on this button right here. So if you'd like to say adjust the opacity, make a sort of double exposure frame for maybe some dramatic effect if you're making something like a documentary style video, that's how you can easily do it.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
There you go. So again, feel free to change whatever it is you want to change about the graph right here, whatever really suits your needs. That's pretty much it for this video though, really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.